Have you ever wondered what's the real difference between AI, machine learning, deep learning, and generative AI? Are they just buzzwords or something more? Let's break it all down. In this video, we're breaking down these often confusing terms in a simple way. We'll explain how AI, machine learning, deep learning, and generative AI all connect, and how they impact your daily life, even if you don't realize it. We'll also show some practical examples that might surprise you, and by the end, you'll be able to impress your friends with your newfound AI knowledge. Why are these terms often used interchangeably? And what makes each one unique? By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently explain the differences to anyone, maybe even using our bike analogy. Understanding these concepts could help you make better technical decisions for your business or career. So, what exactly is AI? AI is the overarching concept, the big picture. It refers to machines performing tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, or decision making. Imagine AI as a child learning new skills, like riding a bike for the first time. The child represents the broad concept of acquiring skills. Think of AI as the conductor of a symphony, coordinating all the parts to create a masterpiece. What makes machine learning different from AI? Machine learning is a subset of AI. It's how we teach those machines to learn on their own. Instead of programming them step by step, machines use data to improve their performance over time. For example, in healthcare, machine learning helps predict patient outcomes by analyzing medical records. While in finance, it helps detect fraudulent transactions by recognizing unusual patterns. It's like that kid figuring out how to balance on the bike without training wheels. Through practice, the child gets better and better. Netflix recommendations, spam filters, e-commerce product suggestions, like on Amazon, these are all powered by machine learning. Machine learning makes AI smarter, helping it adapt and improve autonomously. Deep learning takes it a step further. Deep learning is a type of machine learning that uses neural networks with multiple layers to understand complex patterns, hence the name deep. It's particularly useful in applications like facial recognition, where it analyzes vast amounts of image data to identify unique features. Think of it as the kid now popping wheelies and doing tricks. They've truly mastered the skill. Deep learning helps AI tackle incredibly challenging problems, like recognizing faces or interpreting speech, often outperforming human experts. What about generative AI? What makes it different? Generative AI is all about creativity. It generates content, like writing articles, creating images, or even composing music. It's also used in creative industries to design video game levels or generate marketing content for businesses. Think of tools like ChatGPT or DALL-E, which can generate text or art based on prompts. Imagine using generative AI to create stunning visuals for an ad campaign, or writing an entire blog post in minutes. Generative AI is revolutionizing how we create content, making it accessible for everyone, from businesses to hobbyists. So, how do all these technologies connect? AI is the big idea. Machine learning makes AI learn. Deep learning takes machine learning to the next level. And generative AI adds creativity. Together, these technologies form the AI landscape that's transforming our world. Understanding these technologies empowers you. Whether you're a business owner, a tech enthusiast, or just curious about the future, they are not only buzzwords but also transforming industries, making healthcare more efficient, driving personalized education, and even enabling autonomous vehicles. The possibilities are truly incredible. How has AI impacted your life? From Netflix recommendations to voice assistants, we want to know. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Like this video and subscribe to stay updated with all things AI. And if you want to see how AI might shape your future job or business, hit that bell. We've got some exciting content coming your way.